What's up guys, Onmaths here, and we're looking at algebraic indices. We're going to be looking at number indices later, so with algebraic indices these will all involve a base of a letter, so in this case the base is y. The base is basically the thing that you're cubing or putting to the power of -4 or whatever. The first question up is from OCR, and sometimes it helps if we write, instead of over, we write divide. Don't need to, but sometimes it helps people because then they can recognise the rule is when you divide powers, you take them away. So a different way of writing that is 3y to the power of 3 take away -4. Now that's the same as 3 plus 4, and our answer is 3y to the power of 7. Last up is our AQA question. We've got quite a lot going on here. We're trying to get this answer here with a value of A and B. So the first thing I'm going to do is just have a look at that bracket on the right hand side. And I'm going to do the same as I did in the last answer. I'm going to expand it. So ARB times ARB times ARB times ARB. Okay, so we've got A times A times A times A, so that's A to the power of 4, and we've got R to the power of B times R to the power of B times R to the power of B times R to the power of B, so that is R to the power of 4B. Simple as that. So the rules, if you want to go straight there, the rules are that you times the powers together when one's inside, one's outside. So we do b times 4, which is 4b, and then technically that's a to the power of 1, so it's a to the power of 1 times 4, which is a to the power of 4. So when we're answering this question, we're going to have a look at the a and the r separately, okay? So we've got a to the power of 4 is the coefficient of the r. In the question it says that's 16, so we know that's 16. So we've got to figure out what number to the power of 4 is 16. Well, to the power of 4 will make it like grow massively, so it's going to be a really small number. And this is just a bit of trial and error. So 3 to the power of 4, well 3 cubed is 27, so 3 to the power of 4 is going to be way too big, 81. So we'll have a look at smaller. Well, 1 to the power of 4 is just 1, so that leaves 1 left. And let's try 2 to the power of 4, yep, that's 16, so therefore A is 2. Similarly, we have a look at the r's next. So we know that r to the power of 4b is equal to whatever it says in the answer, r to the power of 20. Okay, so we're just going to have a look at the powers now. So 4b will equal 20. And then we can just divide left and right. And I can put lines in, but I don't need to, really. I'll put them in for complete, for being complete. So we divide by 4 both sides, and we get b equals 5. So a is 2 and b is 5. And we can check that by putting it back into the original equation. So we can rewrite this as 2r to the power of 5, 4. Then we can expand that, so 2 to the power of 4 is 16, and then 5 times 4 is 20, so we know it's right. Well, I hope you enjoyed this shorter video today. I'm afraid I couldn't find any really nice questions just involving algebra. The really nice ones and difficult ones always involve numbers. So I'm afraid a slightly shorter video today, but if you feel like you want to see more from us, we've got a whole playlist of higher exam topics for our summer school, so you can check that out. If you want to see more from us as well, just click the subscribe button and the bell icon to make sure you're up to date with all the videos we release. If you haven't already, which I'm sure you have, check out our website onmaths.com. There'll be a card that magically appears above me now. And also keep your comments coming in. So if you've got a topic or a question, or name an exam question that you find really, really challenging, then after the summer school's finished, maybe we'll choose that one to tackle. Otherwise, thank you very much, and we'll see you on Monday.
Bye.